Listen, if your credit score is under 700, banks are not telling you this on purpose. There is a strategy people are using right now to get $5,000, even up to $10,000 credit limits without perfect credit, and sometimes without a hard inquiry. And no, this is not a scam. If you do this wrong, you will stay stuck around 300 limits forever. But if you do this right, you can level up fast. Let me show you exactly how this works. Hey everybody, it is Info Girl. Welcome back to my channel. If you're trying to fix your credit, build business funding, or learn how to get approved for high limit credit cards, then you are in the right place. Make sure that you hit that like, subscribe button because I break down everything banks don't want you to know. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Banks just don't look at your credit score. They look at your credit profile, your credit limits, your payment patterns. If all your cards are roughly around $200 or even $500, they assume that's all you can handle. So guess what they do? They keep you there. Now here's the strategy. It's called credit limit stacking. This is where you apply for multiple credit line strategy within a short window before your report update. Why does this work? Because banks don't see other approvals yet. So instead of getting one $500 card, you can get 500 plus 1,000 plus 2,000. That equals 3,500 total. Now here is a step-by-step strategy I want you to follow if this is you. Step 1, you want to pre-qualify first. So you want to use banks that offer pre-approval with soft pulls. So Capital One would be a fantastic option in Discover as well. This avoids unnecessary hard inquiries. Step 2, target the right credit bureaus. So some banks pull different bureaus. So TransUnion is easier approvals. Sometimes Experian is a lot stricter, and Equifax is a mixed combination between the two. You want to spread your application. Step 3, apply within 24 to 48 hours. Now timing is everything when it comes to this. Apply too far apart, banks see new accounts, which means lower limits. Apply close together equals higher approvals. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Banks just don't look at your credit score. They look at your credit profile, your credit limits, your payment patterns. If all of your cards are around 200 or 500, they assume that's all you can handle. So guess what they do? They keep you there. Step 4, start with secured if needed. If your credit is low, start with secured cards, credit builder cards, then upgrade within 3 to 6 months. Step 4, what not to do. So there is people that mess up by applying randomly, maxing out credit cards, missing payment, closing old accounts. That will destroy your progress. Step 5, how to force higher limits. Now here's a trick most people don't know. Use your card, then pay it off early. This is called credit cycle. So here's an example. $500 limit, spend $300, pay it off immediately, spend again, and pay it off again. Banks see high usage, and that means that you are responsible. That triggers limit increases. You have to understand that credit is not a game. Banks are not your friend. They're watching your behavior. Once you learn how to play it right, you can unlock higher limits, business funding, better approvals. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Comment below stack and I might send you a strategy personally. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and turn on your notifications because I'm dropping more videos showing you how to get $10,000 limits, business credits with security numbers, funding secrets banks do not tell you. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video.